Hey everyone, welcome back to Krithi Car Care, and today we have something special, a Skoda Yeti that has seen a better days. We thought to have a little change in the color, a slight variation in the color rather I would say, and we recommended customer to have Tourmaline Brown, which is one of the variant of Range Rover. The first step is to wash the car thoroughly to ensure all the dust mud which is sitting on the car is completely removed. Post that, we remove few of the panels like bumpers, lights, mirrors, trims, etc. And once these are removed, our tinker will, ensure in terms of marking the areas which need attention for tinkering. Once the tinkering is done, we then do the putty work. A good repaint is all about a good preparation work. If the foundation is not correct, then it will start showing up in the final stage of painting. As a customer, we should understand that cannot have heavy fillers beneath the paint because those fillers will not have a longer durability, and any minor hit will make the paint crack very easily. If you see in this particular car, the front bumper has heavy body fillers, and because of which you can see the cracks on the paint. Once the surface is prepared post applying putty and sanding, we take the car to preparation booth, or other we call it as prep booth, where we do the primer for the entire car. Post primer, we leave the car for a day and then sand out thoroughly. Post sanding, we thoroughly again clean the car and then start spraying the base paint. In this case, as I said at the start of the video, that we have altered color of the car from what the Skoda gives. It's a Tourmaline Brown from Range Rover that we are going to spray on this car. Once the painting is done, we keep the car alone for a day and then we assemble the panels and sanding process starts. On this particular car, we have also done a ceramic coating as customer opted to have a ceramic coating on the car. And as you know that ceramic coating enhances the gloss, adds hydrophobicity and protects the paint from UV rays. Just look at the transformation from faded and patchy to sleek, smooth and glossy. Whether it is repainting, detailing, ceramic coating, PPF, services, or for that matter alignment and balancing, we ensure that we are treating every car with a special attention and at the same time not compromising on any of the process. Thanks for watching this transformation video. If you liked what you saw, hit the like button. Do subscribe and drop your thoughts in the comment section. More makeovers are coming on your way on Krithi Car Care. See you in the next one. Thank you.